Reggie.
And you want us to find out what, exactly?
My suspicion is that whoever was running the game back then is running it now, which is why we need to stop them before things get any worse.
Wait, what are you trying to say?
In English vocabulary we will learn the word, suspicion. It means, act of suspecting. Also means the state of mind or feeling of one who suspects. Suspicion kept him awake all night long. Pay attention to the pronunciation. The first one is the word represented using the International Phonetic Alphabet. To pronounce suspicion, have in mind that the size of the syllable indicates where the accent or stress is. In this case, the accent is in the second syllable, corresponding to spish. Below are other ways to pronounce it. Now, let's see how suspicion is used in real life.
My suspicion is that whoever was running the game back then is running.
Take the test at accent101.com to find out si sabes inglés o hablas inglés.